Alright, you guys. Hello. We're going to do something different today. We are going to test out magnetic false lashes. Lately, I've been getting into wearing false lashes. As you can see, these are not my real lashes. No. And I'm still not good at applying them. But I'm trying, and that's what matters. I'm going to take off these falsies real quick. These are the Ardell. Which ones are these actually? Where did I put the box? The Ardell Soft Touch. So I really love Ardell lashes. These are the ones I'm liking the most at the moment. Look how boring my eyes look now. Oh, they look so boring. So these are magnetic eyelashes, okay? Like that. You've probably seen a lot of them online. People reviewing them, things like that. And I've always wanted to try them. Now, I'm really bad at applying real false lashes. Now, magnetic ones, I don't know. So what I'm going to do is zoom you in. So what you're basically supposed to do is sandwich your real lashes in between these ones. And if you can see, they have little red dots. I don't know. Please focus on it. They have little red dots that are the actual magnets. So you're supposed to place one on the top of your lashes like that. And then place this one on the bottom. Like that. But that doesn't look very good. I don't know, guys. What do you think? So, okay. It's one side done. No, I have to try and make this look better. Maybe you're supposed to... Oh god, they're hard to get off. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Maybe, I can put one in the back. Back here. Right? Place it right there. And then magnetize only... Ooh. Ooh, and one in my eyeball. Place that one like that. And then do... it like that. Oh my god, you guys. You see, here's the thing. Here's my problem, okay? When I put them on correctly, right, how they're supposed to be placed on, they look weird. If these were longer, I think they would do better, because then they can do your whole eye. But if I just apply them at the edge, right on the outside, right? Let's do this. Okay, we got it in there. How does that look good? And you can see, it's close to my lash line. It's as close to the lash line as I can get it. How is it supposed to look good? Unless this is one pair. So let's try to do that, I guess. I don't know. Hold on. Although it looks like it's supposed to be tapered in the front, so it goes up front. But again, that doesn't even make much sense. This doesn't even look good. The only way I could foresee this looking good is if it was longer. But the thing is that okay, let me get this other eye on, and then I'm going to tell you what my problem with these are. Although, they do work nice. I mean, they do, magnetize on, really easy to get to your lash line pretty nicely. These are easier for me to apply than normal lashes. I'm going to zoom you out real quick. How do I look? Here's my problem with this, you guys. These are easy to apply as far as the actual magnetized part of it. Oh my god, they pulled out my real lashes. The magnet part is really interesting. It's really cool. They work really well. I mean, they apply nicely, stuff like that. They're easy to put on. But here's my problem. They are so densely packed. There are no gaps in these eyelashes. They don't look natural. They're thick as heck. There's no gaps or fluffy parts of it. They just genuinely are pure eyelashes. And the problem with that is that they don't look natural, so they don't blend into your normal lashes. So when you put them on, you just have like one strip of like pure eyelashes and the rest of your lashes look natural. It's really weird, and I think the only way they could work it out is if they made them more natural looking, or if they just have one long magnet lash. Because, to be honest, those look bad. Like, they just look bad on your eyes. They apply fine. The application is fine, but they just don't apply well. So that really stinks. I was really excited because, like, I've been putting on, like I said, false lashes a lot more lately, playing around with them. And, unfortunately, those just don't look good. They work nice, they don't look better, so they don't look as good. The product idea is really interesting and cool. These have been around for a while, but I figured I would test them out just to see if I like them, stuff like that. And generally, the general consensus on YouTube was that they were really hard to apply. I don't find that. I find that they're really easy to apply and it's easy to get them to your lash line. But generally, like, they just don't look good. Why do something if it doesn't look good, you know? So yeah. But thank you guys for testing them out with me. Let me know what you think in the description. Do you know of any magnet eyelashes like this that might not, that might look more natural, you know, that might be a different, like, lash thing, you know? What's it called? The lashes are dispersed differently, maybe? Placed differently? I don't know. I'll take a look and I'll see what I can find online. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think of this magnet brow. Now that's interesting. Magnet eyelash product. Let me know if you've tried them, if it's something that you would be interested in using at any point. And yes, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I know this was a short one, but just wanted to quickly try them out, and turns out not so great. Oops. But I love you guys. I hope I see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.